Hello guys and welcome to today's episode. We're going to be going through some of the updates on Facebook's Libra coin as well as some short-term Bitcoin predictions. So first, turning to Libra, it looks as though Facebook could pull out of the venture due to regulatory concerns. So in a report for the SEC, Facebook mentioned that there was no guarantee that Libra would be made available in a timely manner or at all. The reasons appear to be because of regulatory scrutiny that Facebook has faced recently. Essentially, the company is saying that they're worried about their reputation and having to comply with laws and anti-money laundering rules, which raises the question, did they not expect any of this? Was this not something, it seems like they've just gone into this completely blind, like some sort of naive coin offering expecting to transform or disrupt the financial system. So essentially we've gone from Facebook potentially taking over the world with this new currency and banks and governments running scared to the complete opposite and Libra being basically crushed by its detractors. So a statement from Facebook, however, did note that launching Libra will be an ongoing journey. So it's probably likely that they're going to keep their plans on ice until regulations around cryptocurrencies are a little bit more clear. Again, all this does is highlight Bitcoin and its imperviousness to this kind of shutdown. Just the idea of Libra has been around for a little more than a year and is already withdrawing. And Bitcoin is 10 years old and still going strong. But speaking of Bitcoin, crypto analyst Alessio Rustini believes that Bitcoin's strength may actually be waning slightly, and that traders and analysts may be oblivious to this due to confirmation bias. And he might be right. There's been a lot of talk recently about Bitcoin correcting to $8,000 and continuing through its previous highs onto $30,000. And that seems to be the consensus at the moment. And it's particularly being relayed by crypto media through articles, and that's what Rustini's kind of pointing at. For him, this isn't bearish enough. He believes that traders are ignoring the bearish side and suggests that Bitcoin could go as low as 1.8k before another parabolic rally ensues. Essentially, he's calling for a bit of contrarian thinking based on the fact that the markets often do the opposite of what everyone expects it to do. This is him in his own words here.
Right now we have a bearish scenario, and I haven't seen many people even talk about this bearish scenario. So it seems a lot of people are talking about the bullish case for Bitcoin. Very few people, if any, are even considering the bearish situation for Bitcoin, which means that the rally we've seen so far in Bitcoin has been a B-wave rally. And of course, that means once the B-wave rally completes, as we think it has done, we could start the C-wave drop towards the 2000, maybe even the 1700 or 1600 levels. And then once the C-wave completes, then we start the major move up, the next major phi-wave move towards the 20,000, 30,000, of course, 50,000 levels.
So I'll link that video down below. But as with anything in the crypto market, you have to take this with a pinch of salt. It's pretty interesting to note, though, that despite Rustini's bearish, contrarian leanings, he still falls in line with the idea of Bitcoin breaking through its previous all-time highs, through 30,000, through 50,000. So essentially what he's saying is there could be a nice time around here to buy the dip. So you know what to do. So that's about it, guys. If you enjoyed the video, please give us a thumbs up. Remember to subscribe if you want more content, and we'll see you tomorrow.